Conditional compilation. So this is example of conditional compilation. Hash if def macro name statement 1 statement 2 statement 3 hash end if. So this is example of conditional compilation. If macro name has been hash defined, the block of code will be processed as usual, otherwise not. To comment out obsolete lines of code, it often happens that a program is changed at last minute to satisfy a client. So sometimes program is changed as at last minute. This involves rewriting some path of source code to client satisfaction and deleting the old code. So we delete some old code and we change code. One solution in such a situation is to put the old code within the this pair of star then slash star combination, but we might have already written a comment in the code that we are about to comment out. This would mean we end up with a nested comment. Obviously this solution won't work since we can't nest comments in C. Therefore the solution is to use conditional compilation as shown below. Main hash if def okay statement 1 statement 2. So statement 2 then comment is it detects virus. Statement 3 statement 4 specific specific to stone virus. End if statement 5 statement 6 statement 7. Here statements 1 2 3 and 4 would get compiled only if the macro OK has been defined, and we have purposefully omitted the definition of macro OK. At a later date, if we want that these statements should also get compiled, all that we are required to do is to delete the hash if def and end if statements. B. A more sophisticated use of hash if def has to do with making the programs portable, that is to make them work on two totally different computers. So this is also a use of hash if def. You can do so by isolating the lines of code that must be different for each machine by marking them off with hash if def. For example, main hash if def Intel code sustainable for Intel PC hash else code sustainable for a Motorola PC hash end if code common to both computers. When you compile this program, it would compile only the code sustainable for Intel PC and common code. This is because the macro Intel has not been defined. Note that the working of hash if def hash else hash end if is similar to ordinary if else control instructions of C. If you want to run your program on a Motorola PC, just add a statement at top saying hash define Intel. Sometimes for a Motorola PC we can use these statements. Sometime instead of hash if def, the hash if and def directive is used. The if and def, which means if not defined, works exactly opposite to hash if def. The above example, if written using hash if and def, would look like this: main hash if and def Intel code suitable for a Intel PC, else hash else code suitable for a Motorola PC hash end if code common to both computers.